Well, all right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, my brothers and sisters over at Patron Pastor Dow here. We're at it again. We have 7 yards just about right here to pour on this building right here. And y'all remember us laying this building right here. We got it up in a couple of days. And we're going to be pouring this because this is how we're going to end up back in the boat end. Over here, we're going to be pouring over here. We're going to be pouring about 80 yards. 80 yards here in the next week or so. Right here. So we got enough hands. All I really got to do on this one today is let them get a little more experience and supervise this. But our little building is turning out pretty good. How you doing, boss? That's the boss man. That's the owner of the company. You see what we got over there, don't you? Yeah. He's been out here, coming out here. He just loves the ministry. And he sees us, he comes out here all the time, loves coming and pouring with us. But yeah, that's the owner of the company up there. And for whatever reason, he just loves coming out here and dealing with us. We, of course, overlooking right here, we have, of course, you see the pond area. I'm getting ready to dig the footing to my home over here. I'm getting ready to get with Brother Brad. And we, when I get with Brother Brad, we got somebody that's probably going to do some plans for us. And I'll get with y'all on that. Right here, we have stacks and stacks and stacks of rebar that we're going to move in sections over there. Let me get a better angle over here real quick. Now, with this particular concrete right here, it's a little bit different. I want y'all to listen to me very closely, okay? Because with this particular concrete right here, it's just not regular, just 3,500 mix. This is actually 3,500 mixed with air. 3,500 mixed with air. What that means is it'll have a little air pockets and stuff in it. That'll work. That's good. All right, so hey, y'all move out the way and let him roll. Hey, y'all move out of the way for a little bit and let him roll. This is with air, and that's what that's going to do is that's going to prevent the concrete from cracking. At least we hope so. It's going to prevent it from cracking. He'll be able to go all the way to that corner. Yeah, hey, let him, hey, Bro Scott, y'all let him get about a quarter of a way, then y'all get up in there. All right, get on up in there. All right, watch yourself. McNabb and Scott, watch yourself. You come back here and start raking inches out so you don't bend this bar. Just let them rake it. It's way, way high. Get up here and rake all of this out. And then you kind of switch a little bit and you hit a hole and it'll all fill right into that hole. Not too much. Yeah. Stay close to him right there. That's good. Go ahead. Push up. Push up. Push up. Y'all taking too much. It ain't gonna hurt them to push a little bit of concrete, y'all. It's not gonna hurt them to push a little bit of concrete. Come on. Push up on his end over there. Yeah, take that thing, Ray, and push it up in there. Y'all took too much out. Take more concrete from where right there. Pull it all up in there. That's good. Keep going.
That's great. Stop. Only rake it once and then do it. It looks like it's a little drier. You know what I mean? It'll fill the gap.
Go ahead.
Okay. Or maybe twice. You know what I mean? Don't rake it quite as hard. Yeah, I'll take that bank. Okay, yep, now it's seesaw. Great.
All right, y'all, there y'all go. When y'all see it build up like that, get it close, but don't take it too low, all right?
You ready? Yep. All right, go. You ready? Big bird, buddy.
Put your ass into it. All right, y'all start moving some of that behind them.
Great.
Yeah, Ray and Scott down there, y'all got to move that concrete, man.
Walk around to that other side.
Hey, Ray and Scott, stop for a second, y'all. Stop. Stop. Now put it back there. I'm going to teach you. We're going to do some teaching here. Stop right there. All right. You see this end right here? How McNabb is keeping this low? He's keeping it low, but he's not taking the work from them to be able to keep it high enough so that when the concrete, when they go by to strike it, it's not ever going to be too low. That right there is way, way too high. Y'all need to keep it half of that. Keep it just like this down here. Y'all got two of y'all working on that end, one down here. Keep it at this height right here so it don't work JC ass half to death. Y'all, you follow me? All right, so as soon as they pick this board up and they go back, y'all start raking that out of there so they can actually be able to go forward. Y'all overworking them.
About a half inch up on there on mud is all they really need. Half inch high. That's still good.
Scrape it out. You know, Brother Bud, what we need to do is find a place down there in that curve that could be rotting out where the ground is and just continue on. You know how we got concrete poured in that ditch right there? There you go. See, and that's when you start pushing up. That's when you start pushing up right there. All right.
Whatever reason, it's dropping way low afterwards, so we're going to come back and add mud.
All right, let's move. Y'all come on out. Come on out. Let's let him let the man get the job done over there and help us out. We're using this as a short teaching tool right now, so that hopefully that y'all can learn from this and avoid all this. Now, they don't have to lift up the rebar as they go because they already have it on chairs. You see some orange chairs and there's some metal chairs that are back there. Now, the way you do that, now, you take that thing and bring more up and keep on doing that.
I think because it's raking so low, give me a tilt when you pull it to build it up just a little higher.
There you go, Ray. That's how you do it. You see that hole over there?
Right. What?
We need a lot more.
Yeah, let me see that.
Let's go. Let's go. Y'all going to push up, okay?
Go back and straight.
Now, I wouldn't take that down, Scott. I would take that down because y'all already low back here. Push on up. And then for those of you out there that aren't used to doing concrete, you can't wait 2 days before doing concrete to do push-ups. You need to be in shape before then.
I won't be able to stop and instruct you where to put it because I need to. Straight.
Yeah, do it like that.
About a half inch up on that striker. Good. Ready? Yeah. I go.
There you go. Ho. All right, hold right there. All right, this should do good enough right now. I'm going to go over and run over and get this bill.